Alright, Jordanians, welcome back to the channel. So, in my last little adventure, I did this thing where I tried to basically bring Mary UI into an existing project, but um, yeah, it didn't go so well. So, I'll leave this in a card at the end of the video if you'd like to watch it. But, anyways, we're going to take a new approach. Alright, so as you see, I have ChatGPT open just in case I need it. A couple other things, some things to distract me. But essentially, we got this far. We were messing with the avatar. No, I think we were. I don't think I was messing with the avatar on the video, but I was messing with this. So as you can see, that's not quite how we like it. And I think the approach that I need to take is starting over. That's sometimes what you gotta do. You just gotta trash it. If it's trash, it's fine. I interviewed a guy once. It's like he didn't like having his code deleted, and I'm like, I don't know what it is, but I get like a sick. I don't know, not sick, but I get some satisfaction from deleting anyone's code, even especially my own. All right, so we got git status. We have some files here that we changed. All right, we're going to do. Okay, Taylor Otwell would do get now right now, but it's essentially the same thing. He just has an alias. I'm just not that cool yet, and I also don't drive a Lambo, so okay. Anyways, so let's opt to clear it. It's great when you mess up the artisan part. Let's opt to clear it. Alright, we're good. And then we could do composer too, but actually yes. I do have different composers. So let's go composer update, up that composer, and that should actually remove Mirror UI. Or it didn't because it doesn't have any of the lock files. That's right. I think it's just okay. So it's not removing it because it's just reverting it. Is that right though? Alright, just to be clear. Alright, just so we can check here just for my sanity. Do we have Mirror UI? We do. What's going on here? Did we not reset this? Or did we commit something up that we didn't mean to commit? Oh, we probably did commit. So let's go over to get Kraken. Alright, we brought in Mirror UI. Horizon fix the queuing. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're actually going to reset to this hard because we don't care. And we're going to commit to it too. So we're going to force push it. I know some people tell you not to force push, but I force push all the time. Okay, so now if we go back to the site, we do not have Mirror UI yet. So this is going to be, I thought I was going to bring it in and just do a little bit of tweaking on top of my site, but it's going to be probably a drop-in and kind of a replace. So we got some of this. This is Genesis. And I wonder, so I'm using, right now I'm using Genesis and Filament, which I don't know if I'm going to end up using either at the end because I think that's how much I like Mirror UI, where I'm going to just build this stuff. But let's just see. Right now we have a lot of stuff going on. Let's look over there. We got Genesis, Dev Ming. I mean it's Dev anyway, so it's fine. Let's just say we're not going to use that anymore. It's offended me, so I'm going to blot it out. All right. Let's do a composer update. and that's going to take a while. So while we're doing that, let's go back to how we are to install this thing. Let's getting started. That's a good place to start. Let's see. So rope scenario Mary. So I think this is kind of funny. So anyone not familiar with Mary UI, I guess I should kind of preface with that. Gorgeous Laravel Blade UI components for Livewire. So it's built upon Daisy UI, which is just kind of just base Tailwind. So I think it's kind of funny that just like, oh, it's another chick now. So if you're interested in Daisy, you can go check it out. I mean, I'm not going to Google it for you, but essentially, if you want to get going on this boot camp kind of got me hooked. It's gorgeous. So that's why I knew that my last video, like, the stuff I was bringing in wasn't true Mary UI because it wasn't looking that great. And I think it's just because I have conflicting stuff going on and I need to sort my stuff up. So that's legit, I hope. But let's go back. And now we're going to go back and see how we install this again. All right. So what this is basically going to do is install it, and it's going to wipe my site out, which, not my whole site, but like my web, my routes, all of them on GitHub. So if anything, I really need to keep, because I do have some functionality I would like to keep, and I think for the time being, I'm going to keep Filament in, and maybe just keep it forever, because I imagine in Filament I can just use Mary UI components anyway, so it don't matter. All right, so also, yeah, these are my logs. I have some crap open, having some issues earlier, but let's go. Let's install this crap. I'm new. I'm probably gonna cuss a little bit. I'm not monetized anyway, so I don't know. I need to get monetized because this economy, but what did we do? We did something bad. So, okay, that's fine, because that's just, I have stuff now. I think it removed Volt. And probably try to reinstall it. Whatever. Let's see where we're at right now. Are we... I think... I did this before and it worked. Composer update. So I'm having an issue here where my Volt service provider can't find Livewire Volt anymore because I think it's trying to reinstall it. So is it? Maybe I just don't need that right now. Well, let's just try it. Composer, require Livewire Volt. Okay, so somehow I got Volt removed. So interesting. So I think these packages are always pretty much recommended for new projects and not to bring into existing projects. But you know, I just walked to the beat of my own drum. So now I should have Mary UI set up. And it actually didn't break it like it did last time. This is interesting. Oh, it's probably because I got cache going on. It might be another struggle video. I'm just going to warn you guys. So, I don't think it is though, because, okay. I think we did npm install. Oh, I remember. Artisan Mary UI install, I believe. I think it's like that. So not Mary UI install. So I'm not married to that idea. But anyways, oh, it's just Mary install. So we are literally installing a chick named Mary. Got it. So we got that. Okay. So this is the issue, because it removed it just to try to add it again, which I can. Solve npm, yes. Alright, so nice Laravel prompt install, so I like that. As I delve into package development, I think I'm going to start to do that on my own. I don't know if I want to start yet. I'm going to be honest. I have concerns, but let's go npm run dev to start my Vite or Vite. My Vite server. And then I'm over at jordanpartridge.test. And you see I have, it's kind of janky still. Like it's fine, but it's janky. So I think, and this is fake, I think. This is fake data, so it ain't gonna do anything. It is fake. Okay, so I definitely have something weird on the CSS side. So you know what I think I'm gonna do? Let's begin anew. Let's begin anew. And I wonder if I can just kind of... Alright, so I said I like deleting code earlier, right? We're going to delete some code. A lot of code. Okay, so on this computer, I decided to do something weird. So, let me start on my views, because I think... Okay, so that actually kind of wiped all my stuff out, right? I used to have... Okay, so I have some components here. I have some bike joy. I have some... you know what? This stuff's all crap. All crap. All of it. All of it. So, let's see. I don't think... Yeah, did I take Genesis UI out? I think I did. I don't even know if it's called that. I think it's just called Genesis. Because I have Horizon, Augment, Prompt, Pulse, all the goodness. Slack, Tinker, Livewire, Volt, Mary, Saloon. I don't think we're using Markdown right now. We are using Sluggable. We have these dev dependencies. Okay, so I think I am going to remove most of the stuff and try again. I got GitHub, so I got stuff in branches. So what I think what I basically want to do is I don't want what's this vendor stuff. Okay, we're gonna start fresh. Basically go to fresh install. So let's go ahead and I think since I'm using Volt right now anyways, I think if I remove these views, it just basically kills my front end. And maybe I can install Mary once again. And, not Mary. Not Mary UI, Mary. It's going to be mad at me. Given path. So now I'm getting in the thick of it. Wonderful. So this is some Folio stuff. So as you remember before, it kind of added Folio back in. So let's assume we don't have Folio. And try this again. As we're doing this won't take long. I mean, I'm not editing videos yet. I'm not at that point. So now this isn't found, which is fine. Where does my providers actually register? Let's go. I think that's now in Bootstrap. bootstrap folder, I think. I'm kind of new to Laravel 11. I guess everyone kind of is, huh? That's how it works. Okay, so you have an app service provider. And now is this where I am actually registering my folio? I could do this easier. Let's do it this way. Okay, so folio, service provider. Okay, that's my providers, which is in, yeah, it is in the bootstrap directory. So let's just take that out. We don't need no more. We don't need it. We're gonna get rid of it. I mean, it's just out of the box anyways. I mean, everything just kind of, oh, that's my Strava redirect. That's why I have it. Not the filament. I think that was fine. The folio's one. Folio ain't doing anything crazy. Let's just delete that. I'm sure it'll come back. Alright, so now let's do that again. Craziness, I tell you. So this is frustrating so far. I'm gonna be honest, but I guess that's what happens when you try to put something into an existing project. You just have to keep doing new projects over and over and over and over again and over again and over again. Refresh. Alright, so now it's unable to find a component that it needs. That's a user.index. Okay, we're getting closer to deleting our whole site. So where is it trying to find a users.index? Oh, it's because we probably need to install Mary. Okay, we're gonna do vote, yeah, npm, sure, bring it in. Yes, 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 we like this. This is fun. Okay, so this is taking longer than I thought. I apologize. You don't care. You're not watching it anyways. Daisy UI and Tailwind. Alright, let's do our Vite stuff. I think you can do Vite as well. Let's just see. It's in our package.json. Let's see what we have available. So we basically have build, that is Vite build. Dev, which is Vite. So you could basically probably do npm Vite, npm run Vite. I don't really understand this actually, I'm kidding. But that's basically, that's running a script that's called Vite. So can I just run Vite? Let's just do build. I don't really care. I'm going to pretend like this is production. As you can see, I can't type. npm run Vite. npm run dev. npm run dev. Got it. Alright, so now we're up and running with something. Okay, this is horrible still. This is getting there, but oh my gosh, I have something in my system that is still making this terrible. Okay, so new plan. Start from scratch. And I think I want to do that anyways. And I think I'm going to use my same repository, but let's try. So we got GitHub, we got this. So basically, we do rm-rf. I think this, yes. You can't delete the current directory of that directory, so now we're ls. ls, we don't have anything. We do not have a thing. Can I do Laravel new here? I don't remember. Yes, you can. So, we are not going to do a starter kit. We're going to use pest. Do I need to nope, I already got one. And it says application already exists. And why is that? LSLA, because we still have more stuff in here. Baby, baby, baby. We're going to RM. That. RM. So it does say its application exists. I think you really have to have an empty directory. I think you do. I think at least for the Laravel installer, I think I don't have a composer file anymore. Let me do. Alright, let me see. Okay, just for funsies. Because okay, so if I do this the wrong way, I'm going to. It says application already exists. Alright, so what we're going to do. We're going to take Jordan Partridge.new. No, we don't want to do that. Well, actually, Laravel new here. No. Okay, so it doesn't like. It doesn't like working with this. Okay. Okay, so we will Laravel new. Okay, so this is doing it. Okay, we have a fresh install. And you know what? I'm gonna be a bad boy and use SQLite today. I'm feeling naughty. All right. I don't usually do that. I don't know why. Because honestly, I saw somebody. I used to think, because I think I didn't know how to open it. So I think if I do. Because I didn't realize you can open it here. And I think there's an easier way to open it like this. But you could do SQLite. And then, so I would go into my sites. This is actually probably a better thing to call it. And I think, I don't know how it's going to work. It's basically like killing the repository and starting over. So I'll have to think about this for a minute. But in the meantime, we're going to start a new one. What the fuck? Oh. I think there's database. Okay, so that should be it. And we're going to call that. Okay, so we got this. We got users. See, this is why I don't think I like SQLite, because I didn't realize it don't really matter. It's just a file. So we got a new site. So now I got. All right. I'm moving something that you can't see. Okay. This should be done already, right? Because we already did this, essentially. Let's just... Oh, I know. npm run dev. Install. npm run dev. So Now jordanparch.us.test. So that's why I did it that way, because I don't really want to know that. But we got this. Alright. So this is going to be a long video, I guess, but we got brand new laravel. Okay. So now, what do we want to do? Parch.test is now broken because it doesn't have anything on it. There's nothing to serve up. Okay. So, go back to Mirror UI, and we're going to bring this into a new project. We give up on bringing it into existing. It just does not seem to work, but that's not really what it's for, so I think it's fine. I'm not going to complain too much. I'm going to keep saying I want to bring this into my site, but I can't, so I'm going to rebuild my site instead. Which, honestly, that's kind of a testament to the kit, if you just rather rebuild your site than not use it. Alright, so we have that, and as we saw earlier, we need to do Mary install. Artisan. Oh, it's because I don't have anything here. This is supposed to be here. Beautiful. Wait, did I not install Mary install here? I think I installed Mary in the wrong. I didn't install Mary. We're gonna install Mary over here. Who uses yarn, honestly? Like, I don't get. I don't know why you would use yarn. I don't know why you wouldn't use yarn. I just think NPM sounds better. Okay, so do I want Volt? Abso-freaking-dootly I do. Do I install with NPM? Absolutely. Oh, because you can use so many different package managers now. Alright. So this is what I've been trying to demo. I was watching, I think it's the real Stephen King. I mean, he's better at this stuff than I am, but I don't mind. Alright. So now, I'm back up. And finally, it does not look like doo-doo. And I think I got something to do here. Okay, so this. Let's start, because this is an app. Alright, so this is the thing that I can use. Because that's just a freaking, I think it's an SVG. But let's just see if we can figure out where the logo lives. I think we could do that. Sorry, I'm going crazy here with my navigation. Yeah, it's because this is open out of nowhere. I should know better than that. Okay. So we're going to go to a new repository, which is Jordan Partridge US, because I'm kind of, I don't know. I don't think it matters, because I can start a new branch. Can I? Yeah, essentially. It's going to be a little messy putting together. I think it'll be fine though. Ooh, that put that on the other side. That's interesting. So let's go ahead and not work on the README right now, because I'm sure you guys don't care about that. I mean, you guys. I'm using Cody. I don't really care. Oh man, this is going crazy. It's going crazy. Alright. Where was I? I wanted to find a logo. Your logo file? Let's actually just kind of jump in here. We don't have to freak out. It's going to be okay. We got welcome blade. This is now horse crap, because we don't need it. We got Livewire, we got users, we got an index blade. I think this is what I'm using here right now. So this is my class component. I don't know where the logo comes in. Is there a logo on here? Is there an avatar? Does it say app? Somewhere. Okay. I think I've officially gotten nowhere. Okay, app.blade. So this is probably where. So what's my app brand? Do I have a brand? First off, okay, so there's a slot here for a brand. So that's my mobile only. That's helpful. So is this my brand? Is that on brand? I'm having a problem here. I've had too many bananas. Vite Manifest is kapooed, huh? Alright, so how'd that happen? Is it because I didn't run npm stuff here? Npm run dev. Now, do I have this fixed? Okay, so now we're back. It says hello. I thought it said app before. Okay, so I got collapse here. Alright, so I'm very confused. What is all this action? Oh, it's probably, did I mess something up? Oh, because I did comment that out. Alright, so that is the thing I need. I forget what I do sometimes. Okay, so that's a freaking Lego. What is app brand? Is this a fucking thing that's mine? I think so. Okay, so this is something that I can use. I apologize for any of you that don't like cussing, but you just might not like me. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the Sage Orton Partridge. Oh, this is not part of my project. What the heck? No, it's gotta be. Where is this? Where? Okay, so this lives in here. So I think. Okay, so it is vendor. It's a vendor thing. The vendors are doing it. Okay. Does it say anything about my app brand? Yeah, because this should have something to do. So let's go to Mary UI, and now let's go. Okay, I don't think brand is one of the things they really know. Customizing. Is there a logo? Branding. Shortcuts, all examples are randomly logged in, all examples are okay, I don't really freaking know what's on this UI. Okay, so I think what we can do, because they have, I think this is kind of an example thing. I don't think this is really meant to be used. Why don't we do, okay, let's do that for now. And whatever image the AI put in there does not really exist. So can we put an image in here? I'm sure we could. I think you would want to put those in public. We don't really, we have a hot folder, which is hot robots. What do we put it in resources? I don't really know. I kind of feel like you put it here. And then I feel like you can open this in Finder. No, we're not going to do that. Because opening in Finder is going to put that stupid file in there. What we want to do is just find my logo and like do the thing. Okay, so it's called new logo. I'm getting tired. I am getting really tired right now. So let's go paste here. Should work, right? We'll call this Jordan. Got it. So now, is it my index blade or is it my app blade? My app blade is probably what it is. We're gonna call this, okay, avatar. I think this has to be image. And then this, so I'd have to put external on it if it was going external. I've already gone this far before. Let's go. Okay, let's try that. That works. I actually kind of like that. Now, I think on the avatar, they had some things that I could do. That's essentially what that is, right? A QBD, what's this? Oh, that's a keyboard. Pay your respects. Got it. Awesome. So we have these options. So it looks like I can just do a title on it. And then that becomes alright, let's go find that now. Let's clear this up a bit. Bye, Scott Foley. So that works. I think this is going to be a lot flashier. And on the home page, I think I didn't really have anything cool there, but I wonder if I can do cool links to my GitHub. Can I embed my GitHub? Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay. I'm actually going to sign in with an account that should work. As long as I don't have to remember a password, because I don't know if I know any passwords anymore. Okay. So you are... Okay, this is not my account that can do cool stuff. Anyways, let's go. Hello. Chat GPT. I want you now to be Laravel Larry. Do you understand? So this is kind of context. So, as Laravel Larry, you have 200 years of Livewire default experience. What is the most interesting thing you have learned, old timer. Okay, it's just showing off. Like, this isn't. Alright, it's cool. Okay. So now I know you're the one I can trust. So here's the skinny. I don't know, but I think I need to gather my thoughts, Joe. Okay, so I do need to gather my thoughts. What was I trying to figure out? I don't even remember now. So, I think I was trying to see. Oh, yeah. GitHub embedding. I think I want. Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm kind of brainstorming. I like to use ChatGPT to brainstorm. As you can see, like I've asked it for all this code, but I don't end up really using it. So, essentially, we're here. We're starting on this new site. We got this up here. I don't know that I love that, but how is this done? Maybe. I wonder if I can just bogart that. I probably can. Okay, so we got this thing. We're gonna bogart all this shit. And yeah. I don't really know why I did that, but that's not really doing it. And honestly, it's just not my style. So, I mean, blah. And this has some weird thing where it needed to like escape these somehow. Oh, because I put it on that and not on that. Shoot. Alright, it just got double bogarted, so I don't know what MB5 is. It's actually, no, it's margin bottom 5, which I might need, I might not. I don't really know. Let's just do this. And that didn't do anything too crazy. So on hello, is there anything here? I think it just don't go anywhere yet. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do here, we have a table. I don't know if I can expand these. So, in honor of David, I forget his last name, but he's an MKHB guy. I'm taking his favorite emoji off the site. But this is an example of it being used, but not to signify AI. Interesting. Well, anyways, I think this is a pretty good place to stop. I have a little bit of a migrated environment. I've worked a little bit with Mirror UI in the past. I've had fun with it. Now I really think I have to spend some time to just get an idea of what I want to do here. And in the meantime, signing off. So anyways, I'm going to share a couple of links at the end here. Feel free. If you want to subscribe, that'd be great. I don't know why you would, but yeah, why not?